Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, how's everybody? Welcome to all my newbies. Hey to all my oldies. And if you're new and you're just stopping by for the first time and you like this video, hit that subscribe button because it's free. And welcome to my family. And make sure you comment and subscribe. Let me know. Let me know what videos you like of mine and what you want to see. Today's video was a little different. Sunday is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all my ladies. I look a little rough. Don't come for me. My hair will be done. I am currently 36 weeks and some days with baby number 6. So that means she's due any minute. So this video, it's a what's in my diaper and hospital bag and what I am not bringing to the hospital. So let's get into the things that I am not bringing to the hospital and why. Things that I am not bringing to the hospital for baby are 1, a binky. I am not taking a binky because they will give her a binky. I will not be taking formula because they have that. I will not be taking wipes because they have that. I will not be taking Pampers because they have that. I will not be taking t-shirts, socks, or hats because they provide me with all of that. They will keep her in t-shirt, socks, hat, swaddled in blankets because they will be running tests. They will be giving shots. So at this point, I'm not bringing those for the baby. Things I will not be taking to the hospital for me. And why? I will not be taking underwear. They provide that. I will not be taking pads or Depends. They provide that. I will not be going out and buying the Frida Perry water bottle. They provide that. Period. So basically, majority of what I would have spent my money on, they're going to give me. Now, I know some of you are like, well, it's good to have your own. Yes, it is, but they're going to provide it for free. They are also going to be sending me home with a diaper bag full of Pampers, wipes, and things for me. So I am not taking my diaper bag, but I packed it already because after you have your baby, it's a 2-week get well appointment. So my bag is already packed. So I'm going to show you my bag. I'm going to show you the things that's packed in it. And let's get into this video. So this is my baby bag. This is where I can keep headphones, money, anything for quick access. This compartment can be for papers. There's nothing in it. And this is the back of the bag. This is the front of the bag with another compartment. There's nothing in it as of yet. So, this is the top of my bag, and as you can see, I packed it. So, let's get into this in my diaper bag. This is a Johnson & Johnson traveling kit to wash and clean and keep baby smelling good. I will show you. See? There's your Desitin. There's some wipes. Some shampoo. So, pretty much, I'm covered in here. If I have to wash her up, rinse her off real quick. Johnson & Johnson travel kit. I'm actually having a summer baby. So these are just some baby hand and face wipes to clean the milk and things off her face and her hands. I hope y'all can see that. I have some wipes. These were all samples, but they're in my baby bag, so you can see. I have 2 hats, I just think this is so pretty. And I have this one. Let's see. I have some bibs. I have a washcloth. If you watch my haul, then you've seen that these two came from Walmart. Just two sleepers, extra clothes, because you never know. Okay. I have Pampers, which were sample packs, but Pampers. I have 2 receiving blankets and a swaddler in here. And that's it for what's in my diaper bag. Now, in my hospital bag, I am still waiting on her mittens from Target and my pajamas that I'm taking because I'm going to wear their hospital gown to deliver, but I have my own pajamas to sleep in. Put that back. We're going to put that back, and that is it for what's in my diaper bag. Now, am I gonna breast a bottle feed? I'm probably gonna try and do both, but if not, I am going to bottle feed. I have 5 other kids I did formula with. Perfect. So let's not have this conversation again. So yes, I will be bottle feeding. I just have to sterilize everything. So if you paid attention, I already said I'm 36 weeks and some days. So that means I'm doing everything as soon as possible. I still have to wash the car seat stuff and some clothes before baby girl comes. And let me know, because my hospital rules have changed. Now we can actually have visitors, more than one, as long as they're healthy and not sick. So let me know if your hospitals are the same. This is a bonnet because I will be getting my hair done. I do have a hair tutorial coming up for y'all. Stay tuned. So this is a face cleansing mask, and this is a face cleansing mask just to keep my face nice and clean. Some hand sanitizer. I will not be taking a pillow or a blanket to the hospital because of the COVID-19 virus. I don't want to bring it home to my kids. I'm not going to throw it away, so I'm just not going to bring it. I just feel that's fair. This is my bag. This actually was my daughter's bag. This bag is about over 12 years, about 15, 16 years old. So this will be me and baby hospital bag, because as you know, daddy will be home with the twins. They'll probably come visit me, but he's more than likely going to be home with the twins. Let's get into what's in this bag. Yeah, I'm trying to try this. Oh, I got an itch, I'm sorry. So this is a swaddler set that I bought from Amazon. Just in case the picture guy is there, baby can take pictures in the swaddling set. That is how it look. This was, I forgot. I can't even link it. I forgot y'all. This is baby welcome home outfit, just in case she's a little bit bigger. So this is what the shirt says. This is the hat. This is her headband. These are her pants. That is her welcome home outfit. This is a sleeper just in case I don't put the outfit on her. She has a sleeper to come home in. This is my welcome home outfit. If you see my Fashion Nova curve haul, then you know that this is a sweatsuit. So, I'm not even going to show you. These are shower shoes. Throw them right in the garbage. Lotion. Toiletry bag. A toiletry bag. I have toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, hair scrunchies, deodorant. Spray my underwear just to have a extra smell. Some more lotion. Baby's blanket. Wipes for me. Bottle will smell good because I like to smell good. So now it's time to put this back. I will be putting snacks in this bag. Because again, I will basically be there by myself. I will have to pack my charger, my cell phone, which I will probably pack in my pocketbook, which I will be taking because it has all my information in it for me and baby, as well as my insurance cards and stuff. And so, again, like I said, I will be coming back with another video, providing I did not have baby yet, after I get my hair done and do a review on the hair. I am getting my hair crocheted. So again, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your weekend in quarantine. Stay strong. Don't let this quarantine break you. And again, stay safe, stay blessed, and not stressed. Lady loves. Oh, and my Kiki baby just turned 11 on the 5th. So happy birthday, Marquita, my baby. So until my next video, stay blessed and not stressed. Lady loves.